Have to drain cabling. Before cabling on, the whole bottom here was full of sludge. I'm going to go ahead and inspect the rest.